everyone, for today's presentation. I'll be sharing with you my research about one of the most recognized airlines in the Philippines, Cebu Air Incorporation, or more popularly known as Cebu Pacific. Cebu Air Incorporation is the company's official name, but it operates under the brand name Cebu Pacific. It is considered a service business because its main activity is providing air transportation services to passenger and cargo. Cebu Pacific was incorporated in 1988 and officially began operation in 1996. Its headquarters is located in Pasay City, Metro Manila. Over the years, it has grown into the country's largest low-cost carrier, operating a fleet of almost 100 aircraft by 2024. Aside from flights, the company also offers cargo services, maintenance operations, and other aviation-related activities. In 2024, Cebu Pacific carried over 24 million passengers, proving its strong presence in both domestic and
latest statement of Cebu Air's comprehensive income or income statement based on 2024 financial reports. Total revenue is 98.19 billion up to 85.9 billion in 2023. Their net income is 2.64 billion, down from 8.34 billion in 2023. A 68% decrease in their net income. Their main expenses are aircraft operation cost, fuel expenses, aircraft lease, foreign exchange loss, and employee funds or employee cost. This shows that while Cebu Air earned higher revenue due to strong passenger demand and rising expenses significantly affected their net income. What is the form of the given financial statement? The financial statement presented in the form of an income statement. Statement of comprehensive income, to be specific, which summarize the company's revenues, expenses, and profit from the year. What is the contents of financial statement? Excuse me. Financial statement. Main contents of Cebu Air's income statement includes revenues, passenger fees, cargo fees, and such as baggage fees and add-ons. Expenses like fuel costs, aircraft lease, maintenance, salaries, benefit, depreciation, and foreign exchanges loss. Net income, the remaining profit after deducting all the expenses from revenue. In conclusion, Cebu Air Incorporation continues to play the key role in the Philippines aviation industry as a leading low-cost airline. While it faces challenges from high expenses and the market competition is strong, its strong passenger growth and fleet expansions show promising opportunities in the future.